How to transfer money from bank to Venmo. Venmo is meant to be used on a mobile device and help you split checks or pay for items you would normally purchase with cash. At this time, only Venmo users who have been approved for a Venmo MasterCard debit card have the option to add money from a verified bank account or a linked debit card directly to their Venmo balance. If you haven't already, I suggest that you add a bank or link a debit card to your Venmo profile first. But if you do have one, you can proceed on this tutorial on how to add money to your Venmo balance in the app. Go to the Me tab and tap Manage Balance in the Wallet section. Then, follow the steps to initiate your transfer. Select Add Money, select From Bank or Debit Card, enter your amount and choose what funding source you want to use. Tap Add. Once you do this, there's no way to cancel your transfer. Remember, you don't need to have money in your Venmo account to make payments to other Venmo users. You can fund payments to other Venmo users using a linked funding source. Additionally, Venmo users who have completed the required identity verification by applying for the Venmo debit card or setting up direct deposit may be eligible to use the cash a check service within the app. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.